Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's February the 11th, 2022. Let's talk about the graph today. We want to know if we're going to get a bullish reversal, meaning that price has been going down ever since November of last year. And now could we possibly see this cryptocurrency come back up? Let's talk about it real quick. Welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin. This is what I do. You guys can see on my price chart, I do price prediction. You guys can actually see what my idea is as to where and when price is going to go, high or even low. So if you guys appreciate my price predictions, hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe to the channel. If you've been here for a while, I definitely want to take the opportunity out to say thank you all for subscribing to the channel, because it shows you that you're very interested in learning how one can predict prices, because leave it to everyone else is something that's impossible. You cannot predict the market, but yet and still I have all of these videos on this channel showing you all that you can actually do it. So if you guys want to learn more, you're at a great spot. Hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe to the channel, join this community, because we're growing every day. And then eventually everyone else will begin to do this for themselves, because they see how I'm coming through, looking at price bars and volume, giving you all the heads up as to where price is going to go and still profit. Check this out. I did a video for the graph right here on December the 16th, right? Take a look at it. So I'm gonna zoom in. We all gonna talk about what the market has done, how it performed against my price prediction. So let's look at this. December the 16th. I told you all on that particular video, you could go back and listen to it. All of my videos of my price predictions are in the playlist. I told you that I was bullish into the market and graph. I was telling you that I was looking for the price to go up. Now I want you all to understand that many people say that you cannot predict, especially in the cryptocurrency market, you cannot foretell where price is going to go. Well, on December the 16th, I told everyone on that video that I was looking for the price to go up in the graph. And not only that, it's not like I told everyone that the price was going to go to $1.50. That wasn't my price target. You guys can see right here what my price target was, where I was telling you that we can actually see the market get rejected. And it's right there around 80 cents. And take a look at what happened right here on December the 27th. What happened? This is where the onslaught of selling occurred. This is where the market started its massive increase of selling rather than the buyers. It got restricted there. But how do I know that? Because you understand how the market works. Take a look. Since that time, the graph hasn't been coming up at all. And in fact, we even broke our area of support that was identified back then on December the 16th. So we definitely got some things to talk about in this market for the graph. So congratulations to those who was able to at least get 21% out the market. The market price in the graph did not actually come all the way up here to 80 cents. In fact, it only came up to 77, almost 78 cents. Cool. But that was the vicinity to which we understood that the market in the graph was getting some weakness. So hopefully y'all took advantage of that, because since then the market hasn't gone up in the graph. So now let's talk. Can we see a bullish reversal occur to the market in the graph? And I'm gonna keep it real with you all. If it's not gonna happen, if I don't see it on the price chart, I got to give you the right information. Basically, the market is already speaking. So you guys can see here on my chart, we got a horizontal line here. I identified this line trying to reiterate how important it is for price to keep itself above that line. Well, what happened since then? What happened into the market in the graph? We broke that line. This is where the change of sentiment occurs. Not only did we break this massive area of support that we needed the market to hold, we also got rejected right here in February, the 7th and the 8th. The market in the graph got rejected on that same line. Given that that's the premise, given that we've already seen that occur, we should not be bullish into the market in the graph. It's just that simple. It attempted to trade back up above that horizontal line, but it wasn't successful. Until we see this market price in the graph break back up above this horizontal line, we will remain under the prospect that price is weak. Got it? Got it. This is how you're able to make this simple and easy without being confused. The market already tells us where the issues are at. This is an issue right here. Us not having the ability to trade back up above 53, 54 cents. That's an issue. So we should not be bullish into the market in the graph right now. Now, let me tell you this though. The way that we will know whether or not the market in the graph is trying to attempt again to break above 53, 54 cents, 55 cents is this. Let me show it to you. It's right here. We need to allow this market to continue to trade above this ascending line. As we continue to see this market trade on a day in and day out basis, we need to see the price uphold this trend. It has to do that in order for us to know that the graph is going to try again to attempt to break above 54, 55 cents. Yes. If we see price in the graph break this trend to the downside, right? We already know that this market is still going to trade sideways with the prospect of price going lower. We should already expect that because of what happened right here on February the 7th and February the 8th. We should not be confused. The market is already telling us where the issues are at. So this is the graph right here on the 2-day time frame. What do you expect? Yes, the market is still weak. Let's look at this on the 3-day. So we have 13 hours and 25 minutes left before this current 3-day price bar ends. Right there. We have 13 more hours. And right now it still looks a little weak. Yes. Now I say a little weak because we can still see this market price in the graph prop up the market here. That's our target area. We really need to focus in on buyers approaching the market in the graph right there. I got a circle for you. Right there around 44 cents. Okay. So let's see what's going on into the market in the graph on the 5-day then. Let's see what's going on the 5-day time frame. Do you see that? Yeah, we're still seeing a little weakness here into the market in the graph. Look at this. This is the hourly time frame. What do you all suspect? Is the market weak? Is it strong? Where do you see the market going? Because you can already tell here from an hourly perspective that this market in the graph is here holding 45 cents. The next level for us to see support that we really should not see price break below is 44. Now we might get a quick touch over the next couple of hours, see the price in the graph come to 44 cents, bounce off of that and start the upward trend of momentum again. All right, look at this on the 11 hour. Let me know. Are you bullish? Are you bearish into the market in the graph right now? Because currently the market here is still weak. 7 hours. What do you suspect? Let's look at this 13 hour. What do you think? High or low? Do you even see a play here? There may not be a play here into the market in the graph. Possibly you might want to wait. And I'm the one that would definitely do that. I'm the one that would definitely tell you that every time that you come into the market is not a playable opportunity. You don't need to feel like you're forced to come in and do a play, to come in and buy, to come in and sell. If you don't see anything that's in your favor that gives you the advantage, you don't come in and play. Now, given what we've been through to the market in the graph, we saw price break below this 55, 54 cents area of support. We broke that. That's one for weakness. Price try to reclaim price back up above this horizontal line as failed. So that's weakness again. So generally the market here in the graph is weak. But my premise is to see what happens into the market right here. I want to wait and see whether or not the buyers are going to come in and keep price above this ascending line. Because if so, we already know where we're trying to go. The market's going to try to go up, right? We're going to see the market do this. And then eventually break back up above that 54, 55 cents price level. But first, I want to see what happens as price approaches this 44 cent level. So as of right now, are we in the midst of seeing a bullish reversal? Possibly. But I want to wait and see what happens on this 44 cent level, price level, to see if we get more confirmation. I haven't received that confirmation yet. Until I see it, then we'll have an understanding as to whether or not the market in the graph is going to go up. Because I mean, think about it. We're trading around 46 cents. And A lot of the price history here into the market in the graph is not that much. We don't have that much price history here when the market started trading on Binance. Right? We don't see too much of that. Now, if we do get that weakness right here outside of this ascending line, price breaks this ascending line to the downside, be prepared for the market to come all the way down here to like 31 cents. I'm just saying. I'm just giving y'all a heads up. So for when it happens, you guys won't scratch your head and figure, okay, why is the market in the graph continue to go down? So I'm on the lookout. I'm not going to do a price prediction right now to the market in the graph. The market literally is telling us that we may need to wait a couple more days, maybe a day, 2 days, to see whether or not the market is able to hop and stay above this ascending line, because so far it's doing a pretty good job of it. I just want to see a couple more times, and then that'll let me know whether or not the market's going to continue to shoot up higher in price. Now, this is what I'm thinking, right? Now it's your turn. I got the comment section open for all of our subscribers. I want you all to drop me a comment real quick and tell me, where do you see the price in the graph going over the next couple of weeks throughout the month of February? Where are we going? Because we need to get there. In order for us to profit, we got to be proactive and not reactionary. We cannot react after the price has already moved. We need to get in ahead of the game. We need to beat everyone else to these price levels so that we can win. Now, from my perspective, I'm just going to chill out and wait until the market give me a little bit more information as to whether or not we're going to continue to hold price above 44 cents. That's it. Okay. So now let me know, what do you all think about the graph? Is it a buy? Is it a sell? Should you wait? From my camp, we're going to wait. We're going to sit back and let the market continue to give us a little bit more information to see which one is actually dominating the market. Is it the buyers or the sellers? Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.